My name is Angela Todaro and I'm a choreographer. So choreography is when we put together a series of dances. What a choreographer does is teach the dance to actors, singers, dancers, whoever might be on stage. So how a choreographer comes up with dance and steps for the show is that we read the script, we work with the director, and we listen to the music. And depending on what the story needs to be told, that's what we create dances with. So if we're doing a dance that shows we go from one point to another point, say we're traveling from one city to another and we have to dance there, that's how I create that dance.
Follow the road, follow the road, follow the road, follow the road.
If we're just doing a dance about how someone is feeling that day, so if it's a sad day, then I'll create a sad dance for that. And what dance does is really show what's going on in the story.
Life ain't much without a little bit of courage. I ain't just a lion. Life ain't much without a little bit of courage.
So choreography, when we write it down, is like a script, just like how you would have a script for all of your lines, or if you would have sheet music for all of the song lyrics. So when you have choreography, it tells you what your body's going to be doing in space. And we put all of those things together. Usually in dance and choreography, we count to 8, and we all count that with the music. And each step goes to a specific count, and that's how we know what to do. So how I teach choreography to actors and singers and dancers is we usually start with a blank slate. They know what the music is, I know what the music is, and I already have steps prepared. Then I come in and I teach them each steps in a sequence. So we usually start at the beginning and go through the end. Sometimes we start with what we call the dance break, which is sometimes in the middle of the dance. And then we can put it together that way and kind of piece it around in different sections.
I want silliness, lots of silliness. I prefer a world composed of willy-nilliness.
Dance is 3 different things. It is time, space, and energy. Time, how fast or how slow we're moving. Space, if we're staying in one spot or if we're moving across the stage. And energy, which a lot of times I use with how we're feeling. So if the scene is really sad, maybe the energy is really down and really low, and maybe we're staying in only one spot. If the energy is really happy, maybe we're jumping around and moving across the stage. So using those 3 things, time, space, and energy, that's how we create choreography and let it work with the script and what's happening in the show so the audience feels what we're feeling in the show. Not everyone has to do the same thing all the time. Sometimes dances, we all do the same thing, and that's called unison, when we're all dancing together. But you can also have one person doing something over on one side and someone else doing something different on the other side, especially if you have 2 actors on stage. One can be doing one thing and the other can be doing another thing, and it works just the same.
We're Roxy and Rachel Rabbit.
All right, Roxy and Rachel Rabbit,
Okay.
let's do it.
A rabbit has to have a twitchy nose.
A rabbit has to have some whiskers.
Yeah! He's got to have 2 pointy ears on top, and a rabbit's gotta hop and move. Sure as a duck loves his swimming, sure as a pig loves his slop, sure as a woodpecker.
Woodpecker. Yep, so woodpecker. Make sure it's there. Eagle. So it's woodpecker first. So you have the arms swinging, yeah? And then woodpecker.
I'm Roxy.
And I'm her sister Rachel. We're Roxy and Rachel Rabbit. Yay, that was great.
A rabbit has to have a twitchy nose.
A rabbit has to have some whiskers.
Yeah! He's gotta have 2 pointy ears on top, and a rabbit's gotta hop. Sure as duck loves his swimming, sure as pig loves his slop, sure as woodpecker loves pecking, a rabbit's gotta hop. Sure as an eagle loves flying, sure as a fish has gotta flop. A stink's gotta stink, skunk's gotta stink. We gotta hop.
So anyone can be a choreographer, anyone can create dance. So here for you, I want you to try to see if maybe you can make a dance when you're feeling sad. Maybe you can try making a dance when you're feeling angry and see what your body wants to do then. You can make up a dance when you're feeling super happy and excited.
Bonnie and me, we're close as a dog and its flea. We're thicker than twigs on a tree. My body and the